You're watching the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, my friends, this looks like my dinner arrangement here for Valentine's layout. As you can see, I have a plate of some nice delicious apples and grapes. Yes, and to the right of me is some nice well done chicken legs, and of course some Indian rice with green peas and a combination of sliced fish, brown stew. Yes, brown stew, sliced fish with chicken, and tomatoes and romaine lettuce. Yes, so this will be my dinner here, my Valentine's dinner. Yes, my Valentine's dinner. And some cranberry grapes, and you see some Manischewitz wine, but I cannot touch no wine, no alcohol. So this is a beautiful decoration here. Yes, you're watching this on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, thank you for viewing. Please like and share. I hope you like it. Yes, I hope you like it very much. So I will see you on another project on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform.